Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to get rid of pop-up ads on Android to keep your device running smoothly. We will walk you through disabling hidden admin permissions and cleaning up your browser settings to stop those annoying interruptions. So now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1 is to open the settings on your Android device. Step 2 is to go to the security section. Step 3 is to tap on Device, Admin Apps to see a list of applications that have the power to control certain system functions. Step 4 is to use the toggle to disable the Device, Admin Apps and tap Deactivate to remove their elevated permissions. Once these rights are revoked, the app loses its control over your system, allowing you to finally uninstall the culprit causing the pop-ups. Method 2. Step 1 is to open the Chrome app, which is the primary gateway for most web-based notifications and redirects on your phone. Step 2 is to tap on the three-dot menu button in the top corner and open settings to modify your browsing experience. Step 3 is to site settings and tap on pop-ups and redirects to manage how windows open while you browse. Is to disable the pop-ups and redirects toggle to ensure that the browser blocks all unauthorized windows from appearing. Keeping this feature active will provide a much cleaner and safer browsing experience by filtering out common advertising tricks. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful mobile tips.